MySims Cozy Bundle coming to Nintendo Switch on November 19th. A brand new Nintendo bundle is coming to level up your gaming experience. MySims Cozy Bundle is heading to the Nintendo Switch on November 19, 2024. This gameplay collects two classic titles, including MySims and MySims Kingdom. This whole bundle caters to a relaxed experience, which is great for those into The Sims and Animal Crossing. The MySims series is a spin-off of The Sims, combining elements of customization and social aspects of building aspects of a town. One will travel to vivid worlds, build towns, make new friends residing there, and earn their friendship by doing all sorts of fun activities and mini-games. MySims Cozy Bundle is a collection of two games, namely MySims and MySims Kingdom. While one takes place on an island in modern times, the other takes place in a fantasy world. Also, both games give you a different feel, and this bundle could be your chance to want to play these classics on Nintendo Switch. It's supposed to come with a new Nintendo Switch control scheme designed and allegedly faster load times than its predecessors. Though major changes or improvements aren't received, fans should look forward to the cozy feeling of gaming because it offers many opportunities to customize your character and interact with others. If MySims Cozy Bundle does well, one might even hope to see the rest of the series re-released or a new MySims game. That's merely speculation. But for now, here's a cozy bundle to keep fans warm replaying the classics.